everybody, it's Brent with Whiskey 7 Backroads, and Baja Part 3 is coming up now. Hello everybody, and thanks for stopping by the channel today. If you like the videos that I've been putting out, please hit the subscribe button down below. At the end of the video, I'm going to be giving some tips on going down to Baja. Hope you enjoy. We left San Ignacio and headed to the coast along Highway 1 towards Santa Rosalia. Once we got there, we could see the water, and from there we traveled down to Mulege and eventually on to a little beach in Baja Concepcion called Santispac. As you can see from the video, we had a great time down in Baja. So if you haven't already done so, please hit the subscribe button down below if you like the video. So I wanted to give a couple of tips on going down to Baja. First tip number one, when going to Baja, go to a site called discoverbaja.com. They're not affiliated with the channel at all, but we bought all of our permits ahead of time, paid for them, and it makes going across the border a lot easier if you do that ahead of time. And you can also get Mexican car insurance from them also. So tip number two, going through a federal checkpoint. We spent about 5 to 10 minutes going through each one of the checkpoints, and it makes it a lot easier if you have a couple of bottles of water or some candy to give the guy doing the inspection. They appreciate it, and just trying to do their job, and makes it a little bit better to get through. So tip number two, just have a couple of bottles of water or some candy to give to them, and you'll be on your way. Hope you enjoyed the video. Look for Baja number 4 coming out soon.